In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a store page in Wix. To get started, open your website in the Wix editor. This is where you will add and customize your store. So make sure you are inside the correct site before moving forward. Once you are in the editor, look over to the left-hand side and click Add Elements. From there, choose Store and then click Add to Site. Wix will begin placing the store features onto your website automatically. Give it a few moments to load completely, depending on your connection and the size of your site. This may take a short time. Once the store has been added, you'll notice that Wix creates the basic shop structure for you, which helps save time and makes setup much easier. After that, go to your dashboard. Inside the dashboard, click Catalog. Then select Store Products and go into Products. This is the area where you will add the items you want to sell. You can enter your physical or digital products. Set the prices, upload images, and organize everything so customers can easily browse your store. Make sure your product details are clear and your images look professional, since these play a big role in how your store appears to visitors. Next, focus on designing your pages. Customize your shop page layout, fonts, and colors, so the store matches the rest of your website branding. A consistent design helps your site look polished and trustworthy. Keep in mind that the product pages and category pages in Wix are dynamic. That means you only need to design them once, and Wix will automatically apply that design across all of your items and categories. This is especially helpful if you plan to add more products later, because it keeps everything looking uniform without requiring extra work each time. Once your store looks the way you want, return to your dashboard and go to Settings. Then Accept Payments. Here, you can connect a payment provider such as Stripe or PayPal. This step is essential if you want to start receiving payments from customers. While you are here, also review your shipping rules and tax settings so your checkout process is complete and ready for real orders. Finally, if you want to process actual transactions, you will need to upgrade your website to a business premium plan. After that, click Publish to make your store live and available to visitors. And that's it. Thanks for watching.